Welcome to Jacobs Ridge, where you have just found yourself a house with the wow factor. How about you go inside and take a look while I go across the road there and play a bit of basketball. Alright, so it's definitely been designed with some luxury in mind. I think it has everything you could ever imagine or want in a home, whether you're a couple or you have a team of a family with you. Yeah, it's got 4 bedrooms, but it also has a study so you can get even more work done. The main bedroom, what an unbelievable size. Guys, get ready for a fight, because I know every woman who gets a hold of this dressing room will want it to themselves and probably go shopping for even more clothes. Got lots of friends? Well, prepare to see a lot of them, because check out the kitchen. Seashell infused Caesar stone, all the hip appliances and spacious. You are a serious player now. Guys, it's all good though, because there's men's retreats. Yep, lock yourself in that theatre room. Take that. Unless of course you got kids, then yeah, good luck. That's okay, there's somewhere else for you. Sneak outside, you'll find the heated swimming pool, but listen to me. Inbuilt barbecue fully set up and built-in bar fridge. Let's remember it also has triple garage, ducted zone air conditioning, 3-zone wide sound system, including out there in the barbecue area, boys. So this is a slam dunk home.